In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Notion. This is a simple way to make your pages easier to read, highlight important information, and give your workspace a bit more personality. Let's start from inside any Notion page. First, you'll want to select the text you want to change. Click and drag your mouse over the words, or if it's a whole paragraph or heading, you can triple click on it to select the entire block quickly. Once the text is highlighted, you're ready for the next step. Now, look for the small menu that appears just above or near your selected text. In that menu, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens up more formatting options that are not shown by default, so it's a useful place to remember whenever you want to customize the way your text looks. After clicking the 3 dots, you'll see several options, including one labeled Color. Click on Color to open the color settings. This is where you can change both the text color and the background color behind your text, which Notion calls a highlight. When the color menu appears, you'll notice a list of colors near the top for text, and below that, you'll find background colors. If you don't see all the options right away, simply scroll down. As you scroll, you'll see different background colors like light shades of yellow, blue, green, and more. These are designed to be subtle enough to keep your page readable while still helping important sections stand out. Choose the background color you like by clicking on it once. As soon as you do, you'll see the background behind your selected text change immediately. If it doesn't look quite right, just open the same menu again, scroll through the colors, and pick a different one until you're happy with how it looks. You can repeat this process for any other text you want to highlight on the page. This is especially helpful for headings, keynotes, warnings, or anything you want to quickly spot when you scan your document. And that's all there is to it. By highlighting your text, clicking the 3 dots, choosing color, and then scrolling down to select a background color, you can quickly customize the look and feel of your Notion pages.